$40 trillion debt because it could just borrow from those banks using those petrodollars. So in effect, the debt that the United States has today is financed with those petrodollars. Well, if this situation causes those Gulf states to stop putting money in those banks because they don't have it because it wrecked their economy, or that they stop putting it in the U.S. banks because they don't trust the U.S. dollar anymore because the U.S. dollar is losing, people are losing confidence in the dollar, and they're starting to move their investments over to the euro, for example, or the yuan, or, those would be the two currencies I think anybody would be considering. If you start seeing that happen and those U.S. banks don't have all that liquidity laying around to lend to the United States government, then we're going to start to have a serious issue with the debt. I think Trump's going to add $2 trillion to the U.S. debt this year. So who's going to finance that if all of a sudden the GCC states can't put their dollars in U.S. banks or don't want to put their dollars in U.S. banks? And I think we could very easily see the United States getting into some serious financial trouble in the immediate future.